Hello everyone, welcome back to Hazel Embroidery. I'm Ritu Jain and today I'll show you how to stitch the stem stitch. This is a beautiful embroidery stitch that's perfect for obviously stems, vines, curved lines, elegant outlines and delicate lettering. Let's start. Bring your needle up through the fabric at your starting point. Now take the needle down one stitch length ahead. Now bring your needle back up halfway between the beginning of the first stitch. Remember to keep your working thread on the same side of the needle each time. Continue stitching in the same way, always bringing your needle up through the middle of the previous stitch. Keeping your thread consistently on one side creates the beautiful twisted effect, like a rope-like effect that makes the stem stitch so distinctive. Take your time and try to keep each stitch the same length for a smooth, even finish. In the beginning, the stem stitch may look a little uneven, but with a little practice, your stitches will become more smooth, even, and beautifully defined. Thank you for stitching with me today. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please like this video and subscribe to Hazel Embroidery for more beginner-friendly embroidery lessons. Happy stitching, and I'll see you in the next Hazel Embroidery tutorial.